Hello friends, today we discuss cross aldol condensation. As we discussed in last case, aldol condensation, we have reagent 2 moles of aldehyde or 2 moles of ketone. Reaction will occur in presence of dilute base. Intermediate should be beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxyketone, and last product should be obtained is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. In last lecture we discussed aldol condensation, that is self aldol, means two same type of reagent we have. In this lecture we discuss two different types of reagent. We consider example of CH3CHO. Name of this compound is ethanol, and CH3C double bond OCH3. Name of this compound is acetone. Please remember, when we have reaction in presence of dilute base, we are talking about cross aldol, in which we have two types of reaction. One is self aldol. Another reaction is cross aldol. In self aldol condensation, two same type of reagents will occur, will react, and final product should be obtained. First reaction will be in between ethanol plus ethanol. Some product should be there, that we will discuss. Here acetone combined with acetone means CH3C double bond OCH3 plus CH3C double bond OCH3. Some product should be there, that we will write in our chemical reaction. This is self aldol. In cross aldol condensation, here CH3CHO ethanol will react with acetone. One product should be there, and reverse, that is CH3COCH3 acetone will react with ethanol. So another product should be there. Means when we are talking about cross aldol, we have two types of self and cross aldol reaction. Cross aldol in which A plus B, B plus A, like this. Suppose we indicate this is by A reagent and this is by B reagent, then we can indicate this is A plus A reaction, this is B plus B reaction, this is A plus B product, means real product obtained by A plus B, and this will be B plus C. So we will write four reactions in this: A plus A, B plus B, A plus B, B plus A. A means ethanol, B means acetone. We discussed total four reactions here: ethanol plus ethanol, acetone plus acetone, ethanol plus acetone, acetone plus ethanol. As we discussed, this is alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen containing compounds will have aldol or cross aldol condensation. This bond will break, alpha hydrogen will attach here, and alpha carbon and carbonyl carbon will attach. Same here, O minus oxygen will attach with alpha hydrogen, alpha and carbonyl carbon will attach. Same here, alpha carbon and carbonyl carbon will attach. I am writing intermediate here. CH3 carbon, this oxygen converting to OH, one hydrogen should be there, single bond, carbon, HH, CHO. Here CH3 carbon, OH, CH3, carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, then C double bond O CH3. CH3 group first, then carbon. Here we have OH, H, then carbon containing 2 hydrogen, C double bond O CH3. In this case, CH3, carbon, OH, CH3, carbon, HH, CHO. We prepared intermediate. This is functional group alpha and beta. So beta group containing OH, so it is beta hydroxyaldehyde. This is functional group ketone alpha beta. Beta group containing beta carbon containing OH, so it is beta hydroxyketone. Same here, alpha beta. Beta hydroxyketone, this is alpha, this is beta, beta hydroxyaldehyde. In last case, in last step, we have removal of water. This is dehydration step. We understand OH minus from beta, H plus from alpha. Double bond will form between alpha and beta. H plus will remove from alpha, OH minus will remove from beta. Same here. H plus from alpha, OH minus from beta will remove, and double bond will form between alpha and beta. Now we are writing products here. CH3 carbon, CH double bond CH, CHO. Here we are writing in this manner. CH3 carbon, CH3, CH, C double bond O, CH3. Now CH3, here double bond will form between these two. CH3, CH, CH, CO, CH3. Double bond will form between alpha and beta. In last case, CH3 carbon, CH3, CH, CHO. Double bond will form between alpha beta. Numbering will start from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. As we discussed in aldol condensation, name of this compound is but2-enol. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 containing methyl. So name of this compound is 4-methyl pent 3-en-2-one. One, two, three, 4, 5. This is pent 3-en-2-one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon means it is but2-enol. 3 number carbon containing methyl group. So full name is 3-methyl but2-enol. Students, more examples we will discuss in classroom. This is for your information only. We have many examples in aldol and cross aldol condensation that we will discuss in classroom. Thank you.